Elevated, and 10 out of 10 for any girl that is looking to elevate her sunglass collection. This is one that I highly recommend. They look very expensive. I will say like quiet money type vibes. Hi dolls, Tisha Monique back again. Today I wanted to hop on really quick and share with you dolls my top 3 favorite designer sunglasses for the summer. I think that any doll would love these in your collection. These would be so complimentary to all your outfits, to all of your looks, and throughout your whole entire summer. So if you're interested in seeing my top 3 designer sunglasses for the summer, and you dolls already know one pair if you've watched my last video, and if you haven't, then make sure to check it out. Be sure to just stay tuned. Okay dolls, I think that sunglasses are so clutch in terms of enhancing any and every outfit that you wear. They are a quick and easy way to elevate your entire look and of course your mood, your energy for the summer. So I picked out my top 3 sunglasses that I will definitely be wearing all summer long, and that I encourage you, if you are on the market or looking to get some new sunglasses, these are definitely 3 pairs that will take your whole entire vibe up this summer. So I wanted to share those with you dolls. And like I said in the intro, if you haven't seen the latest video where I show you one of those pairs, then you definitely should check that out, because I also provided a very affordable replica or dupe of the sunglasses that I'm going to show you dolls, and I will definitely include it here as well. I'll save those for last since you dolls have seen those in my last video, or should I start with those since you've already seen them? I guess we'll go ahead and start with those because you've already, or you should have already seen them by now, and then I'll save the other 2 new ones for last. So we'll just jump right in. Hey dolls, so as I stated, these sunglasses I already reviewed for you dolls in a whole entire video that was dedicated to them, but these are the YSL or Yves Saint Laurent Betty sunglasses, and I am obsessed with these. Like I told you dolls before, I have 2 pairs or 3 pairs actually that are dupes or replicas of these, exactly like these sunglasses, where you cannot even tell other than the fact that it doesn't have Saint Laurent on the side. These are amazing sunglasses. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on them because I did review them in a whole separate video that's dedicated to these beautiful sunglasses. These definitely elevate any look. They can be styled up or down and to give. The silhouette on these are just fantastic. I think that they're very classy. Definitely oversized lenses, but definitely they look amazing no matter what you're wearing. So these are the first pair that I highly recommend and that I will be wearing all summer long. So get used to seeing them. If you're following me on Instagram or YouTube Shorts here on YouTube, then I definitely have made quite a few videos already about these sunglasses, as well as alternate pairs that you can get from Amazon that will give you this same look, this same vibe without the price tag, but you can absolutely pick these up. I think that they are very key and a must for any girl that is looking to elevate the sunglass collection. This is one that I highly recommend. I don't think that these are really worn a lot, so I don't go out places and see other dolls in the same sunglasses, which I really love about these, that they are high key, but at the same time they're low key. It's like, what are those sunglasses? What are you wearing? You can pick these up from YSL or Yves Saint Laurent. You can also get these at sunglasshut.com online, and I will link those for you dolls below. Classy, elevated, sophisticated. They look very expensive, and I just absolutely love them. So this is pair number 1. I'm sure you dolls have noticed my suntan. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was just so happy to be out in the sun that I negated the fact that I had on that one shoulder swimsuit, which I normally will bring down and just make it a tube top so that it's not giving what that gives, but it caught me this time. And so I do have this very distinct one shoulder suntan, which is, I can't wait for it to wear off, but actually I'm planning to go back to the beach and even it out. Okay dolls, this next pair, and these are not in any particular order I would say, because I really love all 3 of these sunglasses, so it would be very difficult for me to say this is my favorite pair out of the 3, because I love them all. They all give, but in different ways. So this next pair you dolls would have saw me really showcase these last summer because I picked them up last summer and I've been obsessed with them. I was obsessed with them before I got them and absolutely loving them ever since. These are unisex sunglasses here, so these would be great for you dolls or my guys. And these are the Louis Vuitton CYCLONE sunglasses, and these are in black. Another fabulous pair of shades, you guys. You can just see that even though it has the little detailing in the middle that is very understated, but it's also elevated at the same time, meaning that if you were wearing this with like jeans or something casual, it still would be complimentary. But of course, you know, today I am wearing, you know, these jewels, these gems, and my Gucci earrings, double drop earrings, and it's definitely just going right along with it. So I love these for that effect. The silhouette on these is gorgeous as well. It has the signature LV embossed on the side. Catch the beats, of course, catch these cheekbones, looking gorgeous. These as well, these are just such amazing sunglasses. These are perfect for vacation. These are perfect for every day. And like I said, these are unisex sunglasses, so you can definitely set them up for yourself or your guy or for guys. Vivid in the middle is amazing. I love these. It has the LV or Louis Vuitton embossed there on the lens. And they're just a really gorgeous made sunglass. They're not heavy on the face. The frames are actually quite light, I would say, compared to my YSL Betty sunglasses. These are definitely lighter, but not like in a cheap quality type way. They still are elevated, and 10 out of 10, they are doing their thing. So of course, these give me vacation vibes if you were on the beach, if you were at a resort, if you were just chilling around, shopping, or out for brunch, lunch, whatever the vibe may be. These are definitely ones that will hit. They're great for on the go. I think they're just really gorgeous. A really gorgeous pair of sunglasses. They're definitely great to invest in. And like I said, I've had these for a year. I haven't had any issues with scratching. I do keep them in their case like this, which is really nice on the go and to protect your sunglasses. But I think that these are just really gorgeous. So this is definitely one of my top 3 pairs of designer sunglasses. Dolls, today I am wearing the Black Opal foundation that I shared with you dolls on Instagram from Ulta, and I am also wearing the Fenty Cream blush, I believe it's called, or the contour. I'll list it all below, but that is in the color Toffee Please. And then I'm also wearing the Kiss lashes that I always wear, the 111s. And then I am wearing, what else is new? I'm wearing the Black Opal setting powder in the shade 400. And I'm also wearing the Charlotte Tilbury as my top setting powder. And I will list all of the names and information below, but I just wanted to share with you that. And on the lips, I'm wearing an Anastasia liquid lipstick, which I haven't worn in a long time, but I really like the effect of it. These 2 necklaces, get into them. They are gorgeous. And these are from Amazon. I hauled these and shared them on Instagram a while ago, or a few months ago now, but you can definitely pick them up from Amazon. I will have these linked as well. I've been loving them. They do come in a set of 2. So when you get them, you can order a shorter set or the longer set. This is the longer length here. I'll have that link below. And then I just have on my Gucci earrings, which I've had for years, the double GGs here, which I'm obsessed with as well. So I hope that all of this is translating well on the camera because my lighting is so bright. I got a new light and I'm really enjoying it. So tell me what you dolls think about the lighting, and let's just get back into it, and I'll share with you my last pair of sunglasses. Okay, the last pair of sunglasses that I have to share with you dolls, I have been so obsessed with when I first saw them earlier this year on Kyra Amanique. I was sold on them. I was like, oh yes, have to have those. And these are another pair from YSL. So this is my first time having 2 pairs of sunglasses from YSL, and I actually purchased them relatively close together, I guess, for the summer and spring seasons. I had these first though. But these are the YSL Blaze sunglasses, and these are absolutely gag worthy. Like, I love these sunglasses. At first, I wasn't sure how the silhouette of these would look on my face, because as you can see, I really do love oversized sunglasses that just give a vibe, that are outspoken. And what is the word that I'm looking for? Just stand out pieces to where they are just really standalone, big energy type sunglasses. But these caught my eye and I had to have them. These are the YSL Blaze sunglasses. I do have the gold detailing on the side is what I opted for, but you could do silver as well. These, to my understanding, are unisex sunglasses as well, so they are great for you dolls or gents. And then they do kind of have a, I would say, more of a cat eye all along the front of it. Do have kind of a cat eye along the front of them, which I think are really, really nice. These are great quality. Of course, they're YSL, but I think that it's really understated. I think that these are really classy and that they just give next level elevated elegance. I will say, like quiet money type vibes. But this is how they look on. Okay, and of course they have a gorgeous silhouette. I think that they are really oversized, at least on my face still, even though they're not quite as big as the YSL Betty sunglasses. But I just think that these are really feminine. They do have a feminine touch with that cat eye, but of course, like I said, they still give enough masculine that guys can wear them too, that they are considered unisex. Very gorgeous, very elevated, very upscale, amazing. And I love these as well. So that's why I said it would be so difficult for me to sit here and to say this is my absolute favorite, this is a favorite, because each one hits differently, but each one hits tremendously at the same time. They each give what they need to give, but they're different enough to where if you had all 3 in your collection, it wouldn't be redundant or feeling like I have the same vibe with all of my sunglasses. So that's why I really like these a lot. I haven't worn these much yet, but I really plan to. Just gorgeous. They're just gorgeous. Okay, dolls, that is it for this video. Be sure that you are subscribed. Make sure to hit that thumbs up button and also the notification bell so that you can receive from me and hear from me as I'm uploading content. Be sure to check out my previous video where I go into more detail about those gorgeous YSL Betty sunglasses and also some dupes, or at least, I don't know if you would call them replicas, dupes, exact matches. The links for you on the previous video so that you can get them for still a fraction of the price, guys. So make sure to head over there, check out that video, and I will see you dolls in the next one. Cheers. Mwah.